National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Sumner County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Caldwell, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. You can expect all signs 160-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wellington, Caldwell, South Haven, Mayfield, Riverdale, Perth, and Wellington Airport. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 5 and 26. A severe